Hermes case study. For those unfamiliar with the name Hermes, it's a courier company with a large foothold in Europe in the economy parcel range. They, like many businesses, have started to adopt chatbots for customer service and recruitment purposes. Now, the recruitment function is excellent. As a business requiring a high volume of drivers across a large geographical area, they are constantly running adverts to attract them. In an effort to then quickly sift anyone expressing an interest and also ensure anyone suitable is quickly spoken to within the region they've requested, they use a chatbot. The chatbot operates as a first-tier campaign manager, asking numerous questions to ascertain the whereabouts of the applicant or where they want to work, even down to postcode areas. A number of other questions about licenses, physical ability and access to a suitable vehicle. It works and it's easier than filling out an application form from a user perspective. It's brilliant. So qualifying the applicant and then forwarding them appropriate responses onto local managers to then follow up. It is a perfect example of how a high volume recruitment process should be done when deploying chatbot technology, and it's nice and easy to complete by the applicant. Hermes' failure though is in the customer service end. Again, they've opted for chatbots here too, which at least on screen gives immediate support most customers expect. Where it fails is no option to escalate or go back without restarting the chat, which means once again completing all the data entry you needed. Even then, at no point does the bot allow you to transfer to customer service teams. Beyond basic tracking capability, its function is pretty useless. It provides no more service and is already available on the page you already viewed. It completely defeats the whole point of a chatbot and ends up with more customers having to then look around for the call centre number, which isn't obvious deliberately, and obviously then calling them. When you do then get through to the call centre, you have the absolute worst chatbot experience, the voice activated system, which is as painful as a trip to the dentist. It's almost as if they wanted the voice chatbot as a toy for the sake of having it, when all could have been achieved far more efficiently from the front-end chatbot or on the website, reducing the bandwidth of calls going to that call centre. My point in highlighting both these examples is to show, while one works very well and the other doesn't, they've both been implemented purely to serve the company and not the customer, albeit one is the customer is a potential employee. Chatbots are there to improve customer services, which is why we refer to them as chat systems, as that is their function, to assist via conversation. The aim is to provide the customer with the information they require or move them to where they can get that information. They are not there to dismiss the customer as soon as physically possible. There is no limit to how many chats the chatbots can answer and manage at any one time, so there is no reason to be so abrupt and so restrictive in the workflow. So when you roll out yours, keep this in mind and ensure you connect with a professional agency to assist you in achieving this. Here at SI UK we do just that, so if you need help, give us a call, get in touch.